Do you love candy? Even with all the extra sugar and artificial color that goes into it? Now, are you thinking of switching to something natural yet appetizing? Nature's Candy is available at your local farmer's market. We are talking about bright red and juicy strawberries. This fruit is the real spirit of spring. In today's video, we're discussing why you should be eating strawberries. Do they whiten your teeth? What about improving heart health? We're discussing all that and more. Welcome back, viewers. I'm Dr. Rex and welcome to HealthConcern channel. Before we begin, kindly use some of the time to subscribe to this lovely channel and leave us a like on this video to support the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now let's begin. Did you know that strawberries are not actual berries? Most berries like blueberries or blackberries have seeds inside them. But not strawberries. Have you seen those tiny dimples? Those are strawberry seeds. There are almost 200 seeds on the skin of an average-sized strawberry. So technically they are not berries. Strawberries are members of the rose family. That is why if you smell the leaves of a strawberry bush you'll get a sweet fragrant whiff. It is a perennial plant and bears fruit year after year before summer. Strawberries are pretty versatile. The fruit is greenish when not ripe and once ripe turns bright red. Those of you who cannot wait to devour the fruit till it ripens, there's good news. Unripened strawberries can be eaten as well. There are so many recipes for these tart green strawberries. From awesome pickles to salads. Fresh and canned strawberries have always been American favorites. They never fail to add a punch of flavor to breakfast pancakes and crepes. Be it cereal or muffins, strawberries give them an interesting twist. But, do you know what else they do to your body apart from tasting heavenly? A pint of farm-fresh strawberries can improve your heart health. No wonder they are shaped like tiny hearts. If you love your steak and French fries a little too much, then don't forget this cholesterol-lowering fruit. It's the simplest way to stop the built-up bad cholesterol in your arteries and clear a passage for blood. Studies confirm that eating strawberries regularly can reduce cholesterol levels by almost 14%. That is simply magical. Another heart-friendly compound called anthocyanin makes strawberries your heart's best friend. This bioactive compound gives it the typical color. They prevent the hardening of arteries or atherosclerosis and keep blood pressure under control. Potassium from strawberries also secretly helps your heart. A single serving will contain almost 135 grams. Most times people suffering from high blood pressure are asked to have a low-sodium diet. Potassium is very effective in reducing the negative effects of salt. Isn't this fruit a complete package for your heart? I have been obsessed with strawberries ever since my childhood and now it's part of my skincare routine. Huh? Let me explain. One serving of strawberries contains 46 grams of vitamin C. And trust me, vitamin C is a lifesaver. If you are totally against using chemical-laden products, then it can be a great alternative for getting rid of those fine lines and premature aging. Vitamin C helps in the synthesis of collagen. Collagen is the skin protein that keeps you looking younger with plump and bouncy skin. It even promotes fast healing of scars. It can brighten your skin and give even skin tone. Strawberries are the most natural way to get that healthy radiance. Strawberries can contribute to reducing tiredness and fatigue too. When you have less healthy red blood cells, you will get less oxygen. Without enough oxygen, you are bound to feel tired quickly. Turns out iron isn't the only important nutrient for the production of red blood cells. You require folate and vitamin B9 to increase the production of red blood cells. Strawberries offer dietary support that can pull you away from anemia caused by folate deficiency. Time to claim back your active lifestyle. Do you know who else should be relishing this tasty fruit? People who are pre-diabetic or known diabetics should make it a point to have lots of strawberries. Data shows that an average American consumes about 5 pounds of strawberries per year. It has some great anti-diabetic properties. One serving will have 4 grams of natural sugars. A study showed that strawberries can actually slow down the digestion of glucose. It can even bring you to a point where your doctor might reduce your insulin dose. But we don't mean strawberry shortcakes and jam. They'll have a ton of sugar and very little natural fruit. Try to enjoy strawberries in their natural form. You can blend them into your smoothies to manage diabetes. Strawberries also contain polyphenols like ellagic acid and ellagitannins that have been extensively studied by researchers. In one study they even found these compounds to have a positive effect on type 2 diabetes. Trying to get in shape? Strawberries can help you slim your waist. It's a sweet fix for all cookie and cake cravings. You can have a great low-calorie snack if you try to eat them as they are. 1.5 cups of strawberries is literally under 100 calories. Strawberries have a low glycemic index that can keep you away from obesity. All that pulp and fluid from the strawberries tricks your brain into feeling full for a longer time so that you don't go and binge eat. If your goal is to get fit, then strawberries are definitely going to trim your waistline. Strawberries really solve everything, I guess. But did you know that it can keep you away from cancer as well? Thanks to the abundance of polyphenols in this fruit. Remember those 2 sciencey polyphenols that we saw a minute ago, ellagic acid and ellagitannins? There are other compounds like that join this group. They help in the reduction of the free radicals that are responsible for causing cancer. A bunch of scientists took a look at the perfect blend of these polyphenols and decided to test them on animals. What they found was unbelievable, as they could literally halt the growth of cancer cells. This could mean something huge to look forward to for all of mankind. But till then, it won't hurt to keep munching on these delicious strawberries. Do you love taking selfies? Filters are great, but do you know what's even better? Natural bright white teeth. It can literally make your personality shine. And strawberries can make your pearly whites even whiter. Every time you take a bite of those fruits, malic acid spreads on your teeth. It is a natural bleaching agent that can save you a trip to the dentist. The vitamin C will give you strong gums and teeth too. It's a perfect way to bridge your nutritional gaps. But this fruit is not for everyone. If you have allergies to birch pollen or apples, then you might have a secondary food allergy to strawberries. The goitrogens from strawberries can also interfere with the smooth production of thyroid hormones. It's best to talk to your doctor if you have thyroid issues before going on a strawberry spree. The salicylates from these tiny fruits are so potent that they can even cause skin rash and swelling as a type of allergic response. Now let's focus on who else should be eating strawberries. To-be mothers must make it a point to include strawberries somewhere in their diet. It's absolutely great for that tiny human growing inside your belly. The vitamins and folate help in the development of your baby's brain. One serving will contain 45 micrograms of folate. That is enough to keep away birth defects like spina bifida. 1 cup of fruity strawberry salsa is a big yes during pregnancy. It's also a must if you are in the childbearing age group or planning for pregnancy in your future. Want to know other perks of having 10 to 12 strawberries every day? It's going to keep things moving ahead. You require lots of fiber and plenty of water to have healthy bowel movements. Strawberries are made up of 80 to 90% water. They also contain almost 2 grams of fiber per serving. This combination can help you stay regular. It will help to reduce inflammation in your intestine, and you'll have fewer chances of developing colorectal cancer, too. Strawberries are indeed a refreshing way to super cleanse your digestive system. Now, let me think of another health benefit. It was on the tip of my tongue. Ugh. How could I forget it? Got it. It gives you a great memory. I should probably fix myself a bowl of strawberries too. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for your nerve cells. The sheath of these nerve cells is nourished by vitamin C. It facilitates quick communication between other nerve cells. When that happens, your capacity to recall things increases. You will also start feeling mentally sharp and will be able to make decisions easier. Do your eyes always feel tired? All the blue light coming from the screen can make your eyes age faster. Strawberries can revive your vision. The antioxidants from strawberries can safeguard you from future cataracts and clouding. Vitamin C also protects you from the harmful UV radiation that directly hits your cornea and retina. Now that's so promising. Secure great eyesight in your old age with a cup full of strawberries right now. You might be able to get nutrients and vitamins through supplements, but nothing beats natural foods. Do you like strawberries? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this one. Bye for now.